May we talk, may we go Twitter. Anthony Macheta say, Auntie Bumi, saliva for corner of mouth better. I stop to bath, go work, because each time I chat with my colleague, they bath me with saliva. Some they say, all these things where you people they mention, so all na bad behavior.
Na bad behavior.
My question now be say, what did person go fit take controller? This topic today makes sense die. It good to tell person, but with a right manner of approach. Say Zoom G Solomon, I don't read your tweet. But now the right this English way you talk, right manner of approach. I do okay. Will you just be very honest with them and say, my brother, in one foot, your mouth they smell. Who like you go tell you say your mouth they smell?
No, that kind of thing you go approach them like you talk. You go approach them with wisdom. What thing you happen to say? Person where you know say get bad breath. Everybody go don't know. Not be only you know. Even
so the person when get bad breath no go know saying.
He go know.
So why you go now need to wait for person to tell him or to buy him special toothpaste?
If you don't get person, we don't tell. Some people feel don't tell them. But they take them for granted, saying, waiting, which
no
kind of bad behavior.
Now only me, I know they smell anything. Nothing do my mouth. Hello from
all
Lagos,
the people
Peter.
I for boss this morning, but
hello.
Hello, Peter.
Hello, how are you?
We there, Anna.
We thank God, though. How about you?
See us here.
Okay. How are you?
TV too loud.
We fine now.
Okay. Oh.
The TV is too
Now,
loud.
people are looking very good, though.
In purple, Abi. Thank you.
Purple there,
Yeah,
baby.
the purple color is fine.
Yeah.
My contribution for this matter be say, I believe say some women too have a lot of work to do.
Okay.
Explain yourself.
Make some women they talk to their husband too. And you know, some men feel pick offense. Maybe that's why the women not they talk.
Oh.
Yeah. So now that one I believe say they happen. So make man they tell if your wife not they need you tell her say this is your problem. If the man too not they need you tell him.
Make you tell
So
him.
the thing be say make na tell men when they house say if your wife correct you make you not they pick offense. Because some women feel correct you say you're happy they smell. Some men go pick offense they give the quarrel. They feel tell their wife to maybe they to pick offense. That's why they leave each other. All these things will begin they happen.
Say which one concern you.
But to me, they say it's good to make person the day hygiene. It's very, very important.
Important.
Yeah.
So at least when you come back for work, you bath,
It's
rub
true.
powder, smell nice to your wife. A good thing, huh?
Nah, good to know. You rub that your Saturday night fever. That powder. Anthony Montana. My brother, thank you, Peter. Somebody from Abuja, hello? Nuruddin. Nuru.
My auntie, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My auntie, good evening.
Hello?
Hello?
No, they don't vex drop like.
No,
Junk
what's
fire.
happen now?
Junk fire.
Another
Yes.
one, we say trimming and biting of nails. People, they quick do that one.
Yes.
So,
Biting of nails. Yes. Yes.
just,
It comes
they're
as that
talking
one
to
that
you.
the easiest thing to
I'm
do.
telling you, any small thing. Some people, if you look at their nails,
I know people when
It's
them
like
say
half.
they think. Now it they help them think. So when I think, if you see me they bite, now I say I don't think they go far.
What the finger don't finish?
any
don't
small
think
thing,
again.
just put finger on my.
So then you go become cannibal, they chop your own flesh. You go be cannibal, they chop your own flesh.
Think.
Onto thinking.
Then another one, scraping dirt under your nails. Some people go carry your pen for office like starting. So what are they talk? They say, you see that
Then they go,
This
sorry,
thing yesterday.
it pour for your
Sorry,
body.
yeah.
Sorry, don't be annoyed.
that meeting we had yesterday. See, now it was a very serious meeting.
Nuruddin is back.
They say sorry.
What is this one? Don't think.
Hello, Nuru.
Now very serious
Hello?
meeting.
Nuru, if you make up your mind to call, now if you call, talk. Okay, so that this thing can be flowing like that. No just tell I'm saying they smell. If it they embarrassing, say Declan. Take for example, you can tell the person, have you tried this kind of perfume before?
Yes.
If he say no, tell him it will look good on you. You know perfume for this kind of matter, my brother. Perfume cannot work.
And deodorant.
First of all,
deodorant.
a strong maybe spot like
Yes.
roll-ons, then body sprays.
Yeah.
That one first before perfume can do.
At all. Too high.
The icing on the cake. Imagine if you dey, sweating armpit and all, you
some
can't
people
wear
dey
Don't
use-
form pattern.
Some people they use roll-on where we say the order they very harsh. You can't join their sweats.
Gbaga.
When the thing come out, you are dead. You are dead.
Can't enter AC.
Hey, they don't know. They
And
don't know the
those
kind of
guys,
way
when they
they
enter
fix
your office,
them.
just immediately they raise up the shirt.
Yeah,
you
you
will
can remove
see
suits
the
for the
mark.
hanger.
Yeah. Cause, oh, hello, how are you?
then you just, and you say for men, those kind of thing they quick show say.
Yes, now.
You go just see that, that
That
map.
map.
Whether a map of Guinea or a map of somewhere, just there. You go just, and that pattern, they always there. They will come feel like, say, say everything they, na perception. They go think say maybe you work out for sun, you there, you no get motor, you there go slow, or you enter one, to come. Now me say, so everything, they go look you up and down and they go tell you, he go tell you as it be.
Then
Gamboy say on the issue of say person sabi work but get this bad hygiene. He say na to give the person time to work on them. don't know.
Even if you give the person time to work on them, if the person work on them and those things, no changes, no point. That time where you they give the person, you go don't promote another person, we go do the job. In any company, time is money.
And so sentiment no day.
At all, at all.
So it's better you just
At all.
walk
It's
on
better
that.
you just
Yes.
work on it sharp.
Sentiment
Even
no
before
dey.
it is identified,
Yes.
you work on it.
Okay.
Then chewing.
Bra.
Spit. Some people spit. They'll just be talking on the road though. You just them. Why? I hate that. Me and my brother, we used to joke that those spitting, there are some that you can call from your tummy. There are some that you can call from your tummy. They'll just be walking on the road though. The next
You go like, hey, say sorry, my brother. You know, as this thing they catch person sometimes.
Then
You
some
when they waka, you go fear no agree. You say
There
no,
was
it's
one time
okay,
I
my
was
brother.
driving behind one bus.
Yeah.
The person from the window just put like this.
Right.
And the wind was blowing. So,
And that kind of thing, maybe you dey chop something like gala or
maybe
something.
you just buy gala.
You go just hook. You still go just hook for your mouth. Israel, how to say, God bless today's topic. Cleanliness can make somebody responsible, very responsible. Adinka say, please, what can I do? Because I know they perceive odor. And I know if you use roll-on, because of the alcoholic smell, they choke me.
It can use antiperspirant. There are two types.
Or
there are
they
some.
even say lime, they go.
There are some where we say they just deodorant, not antiperspirant.
What can be the difference?
The difference say antiperspirant. You know, go let the sweat to the drain out.
Okay.
Like that.
You go dry your sweat.
It go still
hold
take
am,
am. It go still hold am.
Yes.
So, but deodorant, it go come out, but it go
The
the smell go mild. Not be say it go come out. It go dey mild. But most importantly, make person bath well. Come out all the hair.
But some people get that, whether you bath or you don't bath, how about there is something that comes from
You
the
can
inside?
work on it. See, people will get bad hygiene. They go down, they tell them. Themselves, they don't know. Imagine you come office, you dey talk to somebody, you want pick pen, you see
I
all
don't
the
know.
hairs, they dirty.
Case or anybody don't ever tell you this kind of thing before, complain anybody, say, okay. No,
Okay,
really.
so we go that back.
No, I'm serious, because if you say you can tell person, that thing that you say you can tell, my sister, Bongbado, somebody that used to greet you with open mind, as you tell him now, he goes, good evening.
It can't become fight.
Hey, people when they chop garlic, nko.
Garlic.
to the office.
Even that one, not toxic traits, because at times when you open your door for corridor, you go fit spot the person which chop that garlic pass. Because the thing they trail.
And garlic now very strong.
Very
It's
strong.
strong smell.
Very strong. 2 hours later, you will know.
Even the
person
sweat
wey
when
don-
they drip garlic safe.
Now
Yeah,
everything.
it's a toxic trait because you're not supposed to offend people in the workplace.
Yeah.
It's a
Case of say make
workplace.
I ask you, even Oyibo smell, nko. Case
Case will be
No, now your
explicit.
question, no be case of ask me. No. we just say okay. No, but you know say some people get their different smell. And different kind of Oyibo get different kind smell. Yeah. they talk about wetin we hear. Then this
Okay.
me and Isibit the same thing. Say, you know, their smelling they different. Some smell
Okay, like you and Izzy Bit won't go Brazil that time.
you know, their smell different
They're from America.
and China.
Okay.
So I don't know. And they don't go toxic trade.
It's part
not
of
a-
toxic trade because for workplace, you feel smell anyhow in your house. That not your house. You feel do anything you like. But for workplace, you're supposed some.
So people when they mess now,
It's part of toxic trade.
Code
you
it.
go sit down.
Passing gas.
Rose-
They go no.
Just quiet. Now then they go to time for computer pass. Whistle. All this good.
But it makes some noise.
Yes, mommy, well.
Papa, you know the smile is the same with smell. Because I know my dear brothers and sisters, that one. And the many pass, you go see everybody go just carry their load. Just come up from that. Okay, my brother. No, let me go to accounts. Let me go to someday. I'm coming. And they go just.
You get meeting this morning. Say, I get. Let me just quickly go.
But this toxic. Waiting they inform all this. People know say na bad behavior.
Some people know. Some people don't know.
How you know? Go know say. How you
Like
know go know say?
Belgium, if you go canteen now with your colleagues, you dey chop. Chewing loudly, safe. Na toxic trait.
Canteen na dey toxic trade full.
I'm telling you. Some
I
people
go
sit down.
one day
In fact,
to
there
the
was one
canteen.
time
I carry
was
my
in the
empty
canteen.
cocoa come out.
The cutlery, the person was eating with a fork. I was hearing the sound of the fork on the plate. Bang, 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 bang. Then, it's toxic trait. Then when they now finish, like,
Joseph from Worry,
Yes,
you don't call back.
I'm calling at Joseph from Mori.
We didn't hear you now.
How we do?
we
Fine.
do.
I don't come back now. I don't see my guy for studio now.
Your guy dey.
My guy there.
And now,
He did.
Okay, the truth of the matter, if he started the smell, if you tell her na insult.
if person do what
If person dey
make
smell
you tell
and
am
you
na
tell him na insult.
Yes.
no,
So how you
no,
go take do am?
no.
So how you go take do am like easy as?
You go write letter.
Yeah, Joseph.
Don't go.
Duh. So how
How Joseph go write letter to the person? Come fold am,
say-
anonymous. Come put am under. the
Okay,
person.
so we don't they don't dey pursue us from studio. Now him be say na okay, sorry, it's okay now. Everything is it's okay. Duh. I want to sit down here. What will you do? Well, my brother and sister, so Bumi, now him be say next Monday we won't talk
We have
how
to
we
continue.
want. No, we won't
No,
talk
we will
how-
still continue.
Yes.
Because there are plenty.
Would I thank you for watching the show today? Say we go continue. We will say no. Then there, it's
Yes,
still there.
so,
But so now we say we don't even begin to scratch them.
At
We will
all.
continue for toxic trade. We will
Yeah.
talk more toxic trade.
Yeah.
Some trade we don't even think say na toxic trade.
Trade.
Then we will now begin to talk how person go deal with this kind
Yeah.
of toxic trade.
Yeah.
Like person asked for on top Twitter, how you go fit control them. Time will come next week Monday when we
Yes,
come
so.
your way again. So we go discuss them. In the meantime, nada. I'll see you tomorrow.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we dey carry dey go.